वेलकम टू आवर चैनल माइंड पोर्टल। माइंड पोर्टल के क्यूज वीडियो में हम जो आज क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करने वाले हैं ये आपके अपकमिंग बीपीएससी एमडीओ माइनिंग एग्जाम 2025 के लिए हेल्पफुल है। तो वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले। ऑल्सो बेल आइकन पे क्लिक कर ले फॉर अपकमिंग क्यूज वीडियो नोटिफिकेशन। What is the name of portal introduced by central government for work property registration? Option 1 Umid portal, option 2 Nivas portal, option 3 Insaf portal and option 4 Surya portal. And the correct answer is option 1 Umid portal. Where was the Lavender Festival 2025 organized? Option 1 Jammu, option 2 Dehradun, option 3 Mussoorie and option 4 Darjeeling. And the correct answer is option 1 Jammu. What is the rank of India in the Climate Change Performance Index 2025? Option 1 8, option 2 9th, option 3 10th and option 4 11th. And the correct answer is option 3 10th. Which state government has approved the homestay policy 2025 to 30 to promote tourism in rural and tribal areas? Option 1 Chhattisgarh, option 2 Jharkhand, option 3 Bihar and option 4 Odisha. And the correct answer is option 1 Chhattisgarh. What is the name of this centrally spawned initiative to reduce drug abuse through education, de-addiction and rehabilitation in India? Option 1 National Drug Awareness Program, option 2 National Action Plan for Drug Demand Reduction, option 3 Anti-Narcotics and Recovery Scheme and option 4 Prohibition of Cigarettes and other tobacco products. And the correct answer is option 2 National Action Plan for Drug Demand Reduction. Who was the first person from Bihar to win Janpith Award? Option 1 Chandeshwar Prasad Thakur, option 3 Ashok Kumar, option 3 Ramadhir Singh Dinkar and option 4 Tapan Sinha. And the correct answer is option 3 Ramadhir Singh Dinkar. In which city of Bihar, a training center for powerloom weavers has been set up by the Ministry of Textile, Government of India? Option 1 Patna, option 2 Nathnagar, option 3 Rajgir and option 4 Bodh Gaya. And the correct answer is option 2 Nathnagar. Which of the following cities district of Bihar is famous for production of Shahi Lychee? Option 1 Patna, option 2 Saran, option 3 Muzaffarpur and option 4 Gaya. And the correct answer is option 3 Muzaffarpur. Where is the Takht Sri Harmandir Sahib Gurudwara located? Option 1 Chandigarh, option 2 Patna, option 3 Ambala and option 4 Amritsar. And the correct answer is option 2 Patna. Who was the first independent Chief Minister of Bihar? Option 1 Nitish Kumar, option 2 Sushil Modi, option 3 Jitan Ram Manji and option 4 Mahamaya Prasad Sinha. And the correct answer is option 4 Mahamaya Prasad Sinha. माइंड पोर्टल ऐप पे बीपीएससी एमडीओ माइनिंग एग्जाम 2025 के लिए टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अवेलेबल है। ऑनलाइन क्लासेस एंड टेस्ट सीरीज का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए गए हैं। लिंक पे क्लिक करके आप टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस परचेज कर सकते हैं।